Welcome, and for now is an LG K62 Plus, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. Now to get started, what you want to do is open up the content that you wish to capture. I'm going to be using settings for this, and once it's open and visible on the screen, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down, both of the keys at the same time. It will give you this pop-up right here. Now as you can see, there's a couple different options on here. So we have disappeared, so let's do that again. So we have a scrollable screenshot as a first option, then we have some play. We can draw on it, delete it, or share it. Now going back to the scrollable screenshot, which is probably the most interesting option right here. When you tap on it, let's do allow. As you can see, it will start scrolling down. You can tap on it to stop it from scrolling down, and then just give it a second. Apparently we have more terms of service for this scrollable screenshot, and we also need to give it access to quick memo class for some reason, and audio and all that stuff. Yep, seems totally unreasonable, but oh well, it is what it is. And from here we should have a scrollable screenshot. Oh, there we go. As you can see, there it is. So all we need to do is just tap on the check mark, and that's it. Now once you captured your screenshot, you can find it in your photo gallery, so right over here. And there are all our screenshots. So there is one, the scrollable one, then there is the couple normal ones that I have captured. So that being said, this is where you can find them, and also how you can capture your screenshots. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.